Basic dog obedience training. Trying to control a dog who hasn't learned obedience commands is exhausting and often nearly impossible, but teaching him 5 simple commands will make a world of difference and provide a great opportunity for bonding. Keep in mind that puppies have short attention spans, and it is unreasonable to expect to have your puppy's full attention for a long period of time. Keep your sessions short at first to minimize distractions and maintain your dog's attention, gradually increasing the amount of time spent on training each day. Stay. The stay command is one of the hardest for puppies and young dogs to master. Asking a dog who only wants to sit on his owner's feet or lean against her while she is in the kitchen to stay put in another area is almost asking too much. Like the other basic commands, however, the stay is a lifesaver. A dog who is taught to stay won't chase a duck in a pen or charge a cow in a field. The dog who understands stay can also go on to more advanced obedience or rally competitions. The goal with stay is to teach your dog that his job is to remain right where he is on. How to teach stay. To teach the stay: 1. Put a leash on your dog and have him sit comfortably next to you. 2. Wave a flat palm toward his muzzle and say, "Stay." 3. Step in front of your dog, wait a few seconds, and then step back beside him. 4. Reward him for not breaking his stay. If he moves, calmly say, "Oops," or "UH," and put him back where he was initially. 5. Again, give the stay command along with the hand signal. Practice this multiple times every day in different locations. 6. After rewarding him with praise and a treat for success, teach him a release word, or the word you will say when it's time for him to be released from the stay. A good. Click the below link and get more dog training secret video free.